she is. Aww. Aw, you're mean.
Pepsi, stay. Stay. Good girl.
Where is it? Where is it? Find it.
Aw, that's cute.
Hang on, she hasn't quite clued in on her ass yet. Hang on, wait till she clues in. Pepsi, it's on your back. Hang on, she hasn't clued in.
Yeah, she'll get a whiff and then she'll realize.
Aw. That's cool.
Back.
It's not Nana's purse now. It's on your bum, Zoe. It's on your bum.
So as soon as she starts going in her yeah, now she's
Oh, there she goes.
good girl. Did you get it? No, she didn't get it yet.
She's going to figure it out one day that I'm not going to go look for it. I just know where it is.
Go get it.
Did you get it? No, it's still there. Get it.
Poor.
Get it. She says, but I can't.
Want Daddy do it, Zoe? Come here, Daddy do it for you. Come here. Daddy do it. Daddy help you. Want Daddy help you?
She says, no, I want it.
Oh.
She knows it's there.
Give a shake, Zoe. Give a shake. Shake.
Shake.
Shake, Zoe. Shake.
Shake this now.
Give a shake. Give a shake.
Poor dog.
Yeah. Come here, Zoe. Come here, Daddy help you.
She's probably getting dizzy. Go see Daddy. Daddy, take it. Go on.
Come on, Pepsi. Come on. Pepsi.
Yeah, no. She's getting frustrated.
What's she doing with it still?
She's sitting down trying
Zoe, come here. Come, Zoe. Come on.
to.
She says, forget it, man. I'm getting...
This second is pretty good. It usually falls up right now.
Yeah.
Want Nana help you? Want Nana do? Zoe. You just can't get back there now.
Yeah.
You can hear her. She's getting frustrated.
Yeah. That coffee didn't make you warm? Not yet.
She thinks it's coming out of her butthole. Dude, you gotta help her. You can't let her suffer like this.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Did you get it? Oh, I think she got it. Did you get it?
Get it?
Is it still there? Yeah, I think she got it. Yeah, she got it.
Aw, poor girl.